few weeks ago, I had a conversation with David Frenzel, general partner at Max Ventures. We discussed the Nostro architecture, our assumptions, and the structure of our first fundraising round. One recommendation had the biggest impact. David's view was that while our valuation could be justified, most pre-seed investors simply don't consider companies raising at a 100 million euro post-money valuation. That made us rethink not only the size of the round, but the structure of our first milestone. Today, we are raising 2 million euro at a 25 million euro post-money valuation instead of 5 million euro at a 100 million euro post-money. But that's not the real story. Instead of simply lowering the valuation, we redesigned the first stage of the company. Instead of trying to build both the regulated crypto infrastructure and the banking layer before entering the market, we are focused on delivering the first commercial version of Nostro, production-ready software, the complete Nostro blockchain architecture, the first regulatory licenses required for crypto operations, and most importantly, commercial validation with real customers. The banking layer has not disappeared. It simply moved into the next round. The architecture stays exactly the same. The vision stays exactly the same. Only execution sequence changes. That reduces execution risk. It gives investors a working platform, regulatory approvals, and real market validation before we move into the banking stage. One thing I've learned while building Nostro is that every serious conversation has the potential to improve the company. Just because experienced investors often ask questions that force us to think differently, Nostro is evolving every week. Our strategy evolves, our fundraising evolves, our materials evolve every week. That's what building a real startup looks like. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to follow the journey. Share this video if you think more people should see it. If you have any questions about Nostro, ask them in the comments. I'll answer every one of them. And if you know a fintech, crypto, or infrastructure pre-seed investor who might be interested, I'd truly appreciate a warm introduction.